The following segment is sponsored by Tuacahn Center for the Arts.
I am here in beautiful St. George at Tuacahn Amphitheater on this cool set. I'm supposed to meet somebody here. Charlie, where are you?
Come up here, Kari. I'm up here.
He's up there. Okay, I'm heading up. Tell me what this is. This is so cool.
So in the show, this is Charlie Bucket's house.
Charlie Bucket's house.
Yes.
And this is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and you play Charlie Bucket.
That's correct.
Now this is so cool because your name is actually Charlie.
Yes.
Do you get asked that a lot?
I do. Yeah, it's pretty funny.
It's pretty funny. It must be a role that's meant to be.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think it is.
Now, how old are you, Charlie?
I'm 13 years old.
13 years old. Okay, and you play the lead, obviously, here. Tell me how you got the part.
So I auditioned here. I live here in St. George, Utah. And so you come in, you audition, and the next day you come in for a callback if you get a callback. And then you have to wait for like a long time until you get a call.
It's that wait, you know, you're waiting, crossing your fingers, and you got that call. Okay, tell me what the audience is going to see when they come see this beautiful musical.
They're going to see a magical and fun show. They'll see all the funny Oompa Loompas, all the fun characters. All the kids are so great in this show. And it's just super imaginable.
Sure, and magical at the same time. Do you have a favorite part? What is your favorite part, Charlie?
My favorite part in the show is when, at the end, when me and Jay Wags, who plays Willy Wonka, he is amazing. I love working with him. He tells me that I won and I get to keep the factory, and he takes me up in the Wonkavator, which is the glass elevator, and we sing up there, and it's just really fun.
Oh, okay, you sing too.
Yeah,
How long have you been singing, did you say?
I've been singing probably since I was like 8 or 7.
7 or 8? Oh my goodness. And then what about acting?
Same as that, yeah.
Same thing. Okay, what other things have we seen you in? Because you have a very familiar face.
I've done lots of shows here in Tuacahn, but I also do film and television. And they just flew me out to France, to the Cannes Film Festival, where I walked the red carpet and premiered a movie that I did like 2 summers ago.
Oh my goodness, Charlie, he's so fancy at 13. That's fantastic. Most people don't get to do that their entire life. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
I hear we can see you in Yellowstone too.
Yes. So 3 years ago, I went up to Montana and I filmed Yellowstone, where I was young Spencer Dutton in the flashback scene, and my parents were Faith Hill and Tim McGraw.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Okay, back to the production here. What do you think is the audience's favorite part? I mean, I'm looking at the set pieces here. Everything is moving, and you know, you can't be this background here in St. George, Utah, but what do you think people are most excited for?
I think they love the beginning of Act 2, and that's pure imagination, where all the actors come out in like big like cotton candy or like candy costumes, and it's just super
so cool. Okay, tell me about this that you have behind you. What is it?
This is the Liquid Sunshine.
Ah, Liquid Sunshine. Very cool. You know what else I have for us? I have some Tuacahn bars, because you know what it is about chocolate. So I'm going to give you this. What's cool about these is if you get one in the lobby, there actually could be a golden ticket in there. So you want to open yours, see if you have a golden ticket? We'll see. And then a golden ticket. And this show runs all the way through October 19th. Make sure to get tickets at tuacahn.org. I lucked out.
It's melted.
Melted.
No
if it's
golden
so good it's
ticket.
chocolate, we'll eat it. Charlie, thank you so much. So excited to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.